Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Surah Al-Hood is chapter number 11 of the Quran. Its revelation number is 52. It was revealed at Makkah. It has 10 sections and 123 ayat verses. Section 7, ayat 69 to 83.
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَتْ رُسُلُنَا إِبْرَاهِيمَ بِالْبُشْرَى قَالُوا سَلَامًا قَالَ سَلَامٌ فَمَا لَبِثَ أَنْ جَاءَ بِعِجْلٍ حَنِيذٍ. 69. And our messengers did come to Abraham with good tidings. They said, "Peace be upon you." He said, "Peace be upon you." And then he lost no time to bring a roasted calf. فَلَمَّا رَأَى أَيْدِيَهُمْ لَا تَصِلُ إِلَيْهِ نَكِرَهُمْ وَأَوْجَسَ مِنْهُمْ خِيفَةً قَالُوا لَا تَخَفْ إِنَّا أُرْسِلْنَا إِلَى قَوْمِ لُوطٍ.
70. But when he saw that their hands did not reach towards it, i.e. the roast, he mistrusted them and conceived a fear of them. They said, "Do not fear, we have been sent to the people of Lot."
وَامْرَأَتُهُ قَائِمَةٌ فَضَحِكَتْ فَبَشَّرْنَاهَا بِإِسْحَاقَ وَمِنْ وَرَاءِ إِسْحَاقَ يَعْقُوبَ.
71. And his wife was standing by listening, and she laughed. Then we gave her the good news concerning the birth of Isaac, and after Isaac of Jacob.
قالت يا ويلتى أألد وأنا عجوز وهذا بعلي شيخا إن هذا لشيء عجيب.
72. She said, "Oh, woe is me! Shall I bear a child when I am an old woman, and this my husband is an old man? This is indeed a strange thing."
قالوا أتعجبين من أمر الله رحمة الله وبركاته عليكم أهل البيت إنه حميد مجيد.
73. They said, "Do you wonder at the command of Allah? May Allah's mercy and blessings be upon you, O people of the house. Surely praised is He and glorious."
فلما ذهب عن إبراهيم الروع وجاءته البشرى يجادلنا في قوم لوط.
74. So when fear passed away from Abraham and the good news came to him, he began to plead with us for the people of Lot.
إن إبراهيم لحليم أواه منيب.
75. Surely Abraham was forbearing, gentle and penitent.
يا إبراهيم أعرض عن هذا إنه قد جاء أمر ربك وإنهم آتيهم عذاب غير مردود. 76. O Abraham, desist from this. Indeed, the command of your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, has already come, and to them is coming a chastisement which cannot be averted. ولما جاءت رسلنا لوطا سيء بهم وضاق بهم ذرعا وقال هذا يوم عصيب. 77. And when our messengers came to Lot, he was grieved for them, and he felt distressed at heart, and said, "This is indeed a distressful day." وجاءه قومه يهرعون إليه ومن قبل كانوا يعملون السيئات قال يا قوم هؤلاء بناتي هن أطهر لكم فاتقوا الله ولا تخزون في ضيفي أليس منكم رجل رشيد. 78. And to him came his people, rushing towards him, and they used to commit abomination before that. He said, "O my people, these are my daughters. They are purer for you. So fear Allah and do not disgrace me in the matter of my guests. Is there not one right-thinking man among you?" قالوا لقد علمت ما لنا في بناتك من حق وإنك لتعلم ما نريد. 79. They said, "Indeed you know that we have no right to your daughters, and surely you know quite well what we want."
قال لو أن لي بكم قوة أو آوي إلى ركن شديد.
80. He said, "Would that I had strength enough to resist you or had the recourse to a powerful support."
قالوا يا لوط إنا رسل ربك لن يصلوا إليك فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل ولا يلتفت منكم أحد إلا امرأتك إنه مصيبها ما أصابهم إن موعدهم الصبح أليس الصبح بقريب.
81. They, the messengers, said, "O Lord, in fact, we are the ones sent by your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, and they shall never be able to reach you. Therefore, set forth with your family in some part of the night, and let not any one of you look back, but your wife will not obey. Surely, what befalls them shall befall her. Surely, the morning is their appointed time. Is not the morning near?"
فلما جاء أمرنا جعلنا عاليها سافلها وأمطرنا عليها حجارة من سجيل منضود.
82. So when our command came to be executed, we turned that town upside down and rained upon it stones of baked clay, layer upon layer.
مسومة عند ربك وما هي من الظالمين ببعيد.
83. Marked from your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, and that town is not far from the wrongdoers. Synopsis of Section 7, Ayat 69 to 83. Here, the story of Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ is mentioned. Some angels came to him in human form and gave him the glad tidings of a son. Then they said that they had been sent with the mission of punishing the people of Lot ﷺ. When the angels came to Prophet Lut ﷺ, the people of his nation gathered outside his house with evil intentions. Prophet Lot ﷺ pleaded with them not to disgrace him before his guests, but they paid no heed and continued with their immoral behavior. At last, the angels revealed their true identity to Prophet Lot ﷺ and told him to leave the city with his family at night. None of them should look back except his wife, who would be overtaken by the punishment. Then Allah's torment descended. Their town was overturned and stones rained upon them. In this way, the people of Lot ﷺ were destroyed due to their sinful acts, while Prophet Lot ﷺ and the believers were saved. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.